What we are hoping today is that our Canadian media will cover and unearth the business elite that are today meeting the very individuals that committed and perpetrated genocide in Ethiopia. Let us see what type of business the people will be discussing at the Royal Morgue Hotel. Let's hope we are not investing in the killing of Ethiopians everywhere, of the killing of the citizens in Ogaden, in Oromo, in Gambela, and everywhere in Ethiopia. Is that I hope somebody will cover. That's why we're here, to unearth the genocide and the perpetrators who are today meeting at the Royal York Hotel to discuss about Ethiopian investment. What type of investment? Are you going to invest in the very land whose people have been displaced?
No!
Is that the investment that we want as Canadians?
No!
Is that the investment we want as Canadians?
No!
Is that the type of investment we deal with?
No!
That is why we are here, and let's hope the media will cover and put the pictures of the business elite that are signing deals with dictators and the very people who have committed genocide in Ogaden. The Human Rights Watch in 2008 has documented with satellite pictures the extent of the genocide in the Ogaden. And I am 100% sure the BBC did not, the CBC did not even cover half a paragraph about that genocide. Is that acceptable?
No!
Is that acceptable?
No!
Let's hope somebody, a reporter with a conscience, will today walk off a few meters to the Royal York Hotel to find out what is the deal, what is the investment, so-called investment, that the Ethiopians are trying to peddle. Is that the type of investment we deal with?
No!
Do we kill human beings in the name of business?
No!
Let's go on earth.